Today, we're replacing a screen on an iPhone 16 Pro. We are swapping it out with a genuine Apple replacement. We ordered it straight from Apple's website. First things first, we move the bottom screws. Without that, the screen's not going anywhere. Now this part can be a hit or miss. I'm using a suction cup, but if the glue is still fresh, like it usually is on newer models, it can be a real pain. Sometimes it feels like the screen's welded on. So, heat the screen, heat the frame, and use a little bit of alcohol if needed. Once you get a tiny gap, slide in your plastic pick. Wiggle it around to loosen the seal. Use a low heat setting and keep it moving. Too much heat in one spot can damage the OLED. Now we're looking at the connectors: screen, front sensor flex, and mainboard. Disconnect them carefully. Before we install the new screen, I'm giving the frame a quick clean. Dust and debris can mess with the seal and cause lifting later. A soft brush or microfiber cloth, they work great here. Okay, here we have the new screen. It already comes with the sensor flex cable, pre-installed and paired to your iPhone. That's the beauty of using Apple's original part. You don't need to transfer anything from the old screen. Time to connect everything back. I'm gonna connect the screen and the front flex, but I'm not gonna close it completely yet. Just the top part, so we don't interfere with the sensors. Now for the final step, you need to do system configuration. Power off the phone completely. Then press and hold volume up and volume down. Keep holding and plug in the power cable. When you see the Echo logo, you can let go. The phone is going to enter Apple's configuration build. You will need Wi-Fi for this part. Once it loads, click Finish Prepare and let it do its thing. Apple's calibration tool checks for part authenticity and pairs the screen to your device. That's why Face ID and True Tone still work after the swap. Once it's done, you can restart the phone. Now you can seal the screen fully, screw everything back, and congrats! You've just installed a genuine Apple screen on your iPhone 16 Pro. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I've got more repairs and tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy fixing.